Okay, guys, so for today's mission, we're going to be doing is pulling favors again. So which means that we've got to tow a car on a tow truck. So anyway, let's get straight into it. All right, this is the tow truck here. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to go to the stalled car, which is over stuck at the train tracks, just over on Elysian Island. All right, the car's just right nearby. Anyway, we better hurry up and get to the stalled car before the train hits it. Quick, 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 quick. Hurry up, because the train's coming nearby. Quick, 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 come on, go, 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 come on. Oh, good, that was close. Right, let's take the car to the auto repair shop. Right, we're here at the auto repair shop. Right, park it up here.
Okay, thanks again. That could have been much worse.
Here we go. Alright, there we go. Mission passed, pulling favors again. I think we'll do another mission just to keep the video going for longer. Alright, I just found out that there's a bike race going over at the Vespucci canals, which means that I have to fit a bike into the garage, but the only way to do it is if I get rid of one of the cars in the garage. Surely it is so sad to say goodbye to one of these cars. But I suppose I do have to do it though. I don't really have a choice. Come on, come on. Okay, so looks like I'm gonna have to probably take away this vehicle. So sad to see it go, but it's just because I gotta get a bike delivered to my garage. Alright, let's see if I can get a bike delivered. Alright, we'll have a look on the internet, see what there is. Okay. Okay. Travel and transport, let's have a look. Okay. Alright, we need to look in the Southern Stars. Alright. It's gotta be a motorbike, a good motorbike that we need to find. Okay. None of these good motorbikes are in here. Oh, maybe this one will do for $10,000. Alright, we'll get this Pegasi Bat 801. So this is just a temporary bike. So we'll deliver it into the garage so that it could be ready for the race. That's when I do release a part of the next video. Alright. I think we'll make it a blue bike. That one will do. Alright, let's buy it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the Pegasi Bat 801 sold. Alright. So they're arranging transport for the vehicle, for the bike to contact and be confirmed to your delivery as the garage. Alright. Alright, looks like that's done. Alright, we're gonna go to the tow truck because this mission is gonna be called Still Pulling Favors. Right, let's do it. Alright, there's a broken down car at the Spanish Avenue. Alright, so let's go do this. Alright, there's a car just in front of me. Let's get this towed.
Finally! I called you people like an hour ago.
So we'll allow the car owner to enter the truck.
I still don't have time for this right now.
Alright, and we're off. Alright, here we are.
Well, we made it. I won't mention you on the complaint form.
Alright, we dropped off the vehicle. Alright, mission pass. Still pulling favors. Continue from there. Alright. We'll quick save this game and then we'll carry on to the race. It's the bike race that we have to do. I think we might want to go have a look at the bike while we're at the garage. Alright. We're over at the garage. Let's go have a look at the bike. Let's see how well it looks to enter this race. Come on. Here it is. The blue bike I ordered. Alright. I want to take this to the house so that I can maybe save the game so that I can get some sleep and hopefully it will be at night time. Okay, we're coming up near to the bike race. Alright. Alright. Enter the motorcycle of the street race. The entry fee is $1,500. Alright, so the bike race mission says Vespucci canals, so this will be a 2-lap race that we have to do. Hopefully this should be the last race. Well, I know it will be anyway. Alright. This is going to be a really hard race, so we have to make sure that we beat these bikes. Oh, wow. Another one just fell off. Never done a bike race like this before. It was only a car race that I had done. Alright, we want a slipstream. We're giving Franklin a special boost. Alright. Let's get past this bike. Come on. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Nice. Good. Want to be careful so we don't go missing any checkpoints. Oh, we're coming into first place. Oh, that's a really nice start there. Alright. Carefully. This is a very tricky bike race, so we do not want to get crashed. Oh, left, making the slipstream. Carefully. Good. Alright, I think we're doing very well here. Oh, carefully, get onto the road. Nice work. I think this race should be easy. Whoa! Had to slow right down there. Oh no! Can we get to second place again? Alright. We need to get left, make a little slipstream, give it a special boost. Get past this biker. Carefully. Lap 2 of 2. And we're going to go right. Careful. Alright, nice one. We want to go carefully, so we have to save the special boost thingy. Alright, we're doing good here so far. Keep going, come on, come on. Oh. Carefully. Go careful on this bike. And I hate racing up a car park here. Alright, let's go left. Come on. Nice, keep going. Careful. These bikes are very powerful. Oh! Oh, that was close. Whoa, that was so close. Getting close to the checkpoint. Alright, make a left. Careful. Good. Oh, yes! We won! First place, Vespucci Canals. Time 2 minutes 57 seconds. Result of the 1 and 6, so that's a gold. Let's continue from here. Good work! Man, I feel proud of myself that I was going to win that. That bike race was so hard. Oh, we just got paid $6,750. Nice one. Alright, let's quick save the game. Oh, we can't. Right, let's try it again now. Wait for it. Alright, good. Okay, guys, we'll end this video from here, but if you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye, guys.